Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable two-factor authentication on your Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see three lines. Click on it. Now, you can see settings icon at the bottom last option here. Click on it. After that, you can see that you need to tap to unlock the account settings, where you need to type in your password of the account. After entering the password, click on Submit button. Then you can only enable these settings here. So here you can find Setup Two-Factor Security option. Click on it. Now click on Enable 2FA button, which is at the middle of your screen. After that, you can click on Show Backup Codes here. So this will be your backup code. If you lost your account, you can use this backup code to log into your account. So that is how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.